Reason, the guiding light. At the heart of liberalism lies a deep faith in human reason. Liberals believe that individuals are capable of rational thought and decision-making, and that reason is the best guide for understanding the world and solving problems. This emphasis on reason has several important implications. Emphasis on evidence and logic. Liberals value evidence-based reasoning and logical arguments over appeals to tradition, authority, or emotion. They believe that policies and decisions should be based on sound evidence and rational analysis rather than blind faith or dogma. Openness to debate and criticism. Liberals value open debate and the free exchange of ideas. They believe that the best way to arrive at the truth is through robust discussion and the willingness to challenge one's own beliefs. Skepticism of absolute truths. Liberals are generally skeptical of claims to absolute truth or certainty. They recognize that knowledge is constantly evolving and that there are often multiple perspectives on any given issue. Tolerance, living with difference. Another key element of the liberal ethos is tolerance. Liberals believe that individuals should be free to hold and express their own beliefs and values, even if those beliefs differ from our own. This doesn't mean that all beliefs are equally valid, but it does mean that we should respect the right of others to hold different views as long as they don't harm others. Tolerance is essential for a pluralistic society where people of different backgrounds, beliefs, and lifestyle coexist. It allows for a diversity of perspective and fosters a climate of mutual respect and understanding. Pluralism, embracing diversity. Pluralism goes hand in hand with tolerance. It is the idea that a society is enriched by the presence of diverse groups with different beliefs, values, and ways of life. Liberals celebrate this diversity and see it as a source of strength, not weakness. Pluralism doesn't mean that we should simply tolerate differences. It means that we should actively engage with those differences, learn from them, and find common ground where possible. This can be challenging, but it is essential for building a more just and inclusive society. The liberal ethos in practice. The values of reason, tolerance, and pluralism are not just abstract ideals. They have real-world implications for how we approach social and political issues. Here are a few examples. Religious freedom. Liberals support the right of individuals to practice their religion freely as long as it doesn't harm others. Free speech. Liberals defend the right of individuals to express their views even if those views are unpopular or offensive. Minority rights. Liberals advocate for the protection of minority groups and their right to participate fully in society. Challenges to the liberal ethos. The liberal ethos is not without its challenges. In a world marked by polarization, misinformation, and rising intolerance, it can be difficult to maintain a commitment to reason, tolerance, and pluralism. However, these values are more important than ever. They provide a framework for resolving conflicts, building bridges between different communities, and creating a more just and inclusive society.